Alright. Hey kids, Wolf Timber's back. We got another shotgun episode. Yes, the urban legend today involves Jolly Ranchers. Yes, if you put a Jolly Rancher in a shell, it's an empty shell, it's expelled. You know, don't go tagging me community strike for modifying stuff. But yeah, we had a licensed, trained professional load these for us. And we are going to see, will a Jolly Rancher shoot through a book? These are two books that were laying in the trunk of my car. I didn't read them. If I could read, I wouldn't be working this job. So, yeah. Will books stop Jolly Ranchers?
Wow.
I'll be damned. The answer's no. Okay, we got a second shot left.
Did it go straight through?
Oh, blew straight through. If you could hold this for half a second. You know what? We're going to just shoot this and see what happens.
To a board?
Yeah.
Alright.
So, we're going to see what kind of splatter effect. And we're going to, hopefully the back of this has splatter. This is a concept, right? Okay. Then we're going to see, is the Jolly Rancher breaking apart? Yeah, that's what we're doing. Is it breaking apart? Yeah.
You don't really need that thing up there, do you?
No, I just wanted to shoot it. No, fuck it. Currently we're not shooting it. Alright. Jolly Rancher into a board.
That's a decent crack. Oh wait, was that there before? That's a pretty...
Yeah, that's a saw mark, dude.
Ha!
Wow, okay. I'd say that's a result. That's the wad of the shotgun. Damn!
I don't think you're going to get that thing out, are you?
No, that's the wad of the shotgun buried into the board. So, apparently a Jolly Rancher at that range at least, I'm going to say that'd be lethal.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Two books or, into a board.
So, Jolly Ranchers has shotgun slugs. We're going to come back to this one. That's cut.